A 32-bit program is a type of software designed to run on computers that use 32-bit processors. These processors have internal registers that can handle 32 bits of information at a time. Think of these registers like boxes where you can store numbers or instructions. The more bits, the bigger the box, and the more information you can store or process at once. Here's how to understand this better. Imagine you have a row of mailboxes, and each mailbox can hold a certain number of letters. In the case of a 32-bit system, each mailbox or register can hold 32 letters or bits. This allows the computer to process more information in each step compared to a system with smaller mailboxes, like 16-bit systems. When a program runs, it uses these registers to perform calculations and store data temporarily. A 32-bit program is optimized to use these larger registers efficiently, which generally makes it faster than a 16-bit program doing the same task. This is because it can handle more data at once, similar to how you can deliver more mail at once if you have bigger mailboxes. Imagine you're doing a complex math problem that involves adding several large numbers together. A 32-bit program can handle these numbers more efficiently because it can process larger chunks of data at once. It's like having a calculator that can add bigger numbers directly, whereas a 16-bit program might need to break those numbers down into smaller parts to add them together, which takes more steps. How do 32-bit programs compare to 16-bit programs in terms of memory usage? 16-bit programs can only address up to 64 kilobytes of memory directly, requiring memory segmenting for larger data sets, which can be cumbersome. In contrast, 32-bit programs can address up to 4 gigabytes of memory directly, allowing for more efficient memory management and access to larger data sets. Additionally, 32-bit operating systems provide better multitasking by allocating separate memory spaces to each program, improving stability and performance. This contrasts with 16-bit systems, where programs share memory and can impact each other's stability. Furthermore, 32-bit programs support longer file names and more flexible file handling compared to the limited file name capabilities of 16-bit programs. Overall, 32-bit programs offer superior memory management, multitasking, and file handling capabilities compared to their 16-bit counterparts. What processors can support a 32-bit program? 32-bit programs are designed to run on processors like the Intel 386, 486, and Pentium, which are all capable of handling 32-bit instructions. These processors provide the necessary architecture for 32-bit programs to operate efficiently. In summary, a 32-bit program is faster and more efficient than a 16-bit program because it can handle more data at once, thanks to the larger internal registers of compatible processors.